Hello guys, welcome back to Video Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Brawl Stars login failed error on your mobile when you're trying to play. You can use the same. So if users are getting this error, so how to fix this up? So let's get started. So guys, now I'm going to show you how to fix this up. So all you have to do is first go to the app and you just have to click on that and you just have to uninstall or delete the app from your iPhone. Just go for delete the app. You can tap on there and the app will be completely deleted. Now the fix is you have to re-download the particular app from the App Store. So to do this, you just have to go to the App Store and you just have to search for Brawl Stars at the top. You just have to search for it. And now as you can see that it will be available, just tap there and you just have to go for download button. You just have to tap here and wait for the complete downloading. And once after that, we'll give you the next instruction. All you have to do is just open this and it will be all fine. Now open the app and now as you can see that it is all good. Now it will be successfully getting connected to the servers. As you can see that now it is all connected and the game is playing rightfully. Right, so this is all about it when it comes to how to fix Brawl Stars can't connect to servers or having the error and how to fix on your iPhone. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. This is Shahin officially signing off from Get Your Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.